What we do here is go back.
Hey guys, and welcome. It's me, Mazza Goose, here with Expert Village. Today I'm going to teach you guys a quick tutorial on how to make a cup of coffee, fresh cup of coffee. So, I'm going to show you the steps right now. So what you're gonna need for this tutorial. Alright guys, so what you're going to need for this is, first off, you're going to want a coffee machine, coffee maker. Okay. And then you're going to need some coffees. So we got our coffees right here today. So there's our coffee there. Alright, and the third thing you're going to need is some water. You need water. So okay, we got that. And we're going to need some filters as the fourth thing we need. So you're just going to want to put this in here. Okay. And now we're going to need put our coffee grounds in there. 3. I like to do about 10. 4. 5. 6. So next step is we got to put water in there. So get your coffee pot. And you're just going to want to fill that up. Probably enough right there. So you're going to want to take this coffee cup and just put it in there. And then we're going to close this part. And then we're going to hit the cook button. Here we go. And you got to put this water part, that has to go up in here on the top. So just like that. And then now you're going to want to put this down here. Close the top part. So that's it for the video today, guys. I hope you guys liked it and learned how to make your own cup of coffee. Make sure to follow us here at Expert Village for more recipes and more tutorial videos. We upload these on YouTube every week, so just stay tuned for more. And if you like the video, make sure to like the video. If you subscribe the video, make sure to subscribe. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys.